Lady Fatima Binte Asad, a remarkable woman, holds a special place in the heart of Prophet Muhammad. As the mother of Imam Ali and the wife of Abu Talib, she was not just family to the Prophet, but also a second mother who cared for him during his most vulnerable years. After losing his mother at a young age, the Prophet found a nurturing and compassionate presence in Lady Fatima bint Asad. She raised him with love and devotion, ensuring he grew up with strong values and faith. In return, the Prophet held her in the highest esteem. When she passed away, he personally prepared her grave, laid her to rest, and spoke heartfelt words of gratitude, acknowledging her immense contribution to his life. Her legacy lives on through her son Imam Ali and the deep bond she shared with the Prophet, a bond that reflects her profound role in the foundation of Islam.